Sixth pre-competitive skill test. I have neither announced quitting politics under any pressure nor have any plan to join any other political party, he declared, explaining that the decision has been taken owing to old age and the current times, full stop. He recalled he had faced both good and bad times in his political career, from becoming a senator and MNA as well as a federal and provincial minister to being incarcerated, full stop. The ex legislator stated he had performed all his duties with integrity, full stop. No one has ever dared to blame me for dishonesty, he added, full stop. He served as federal education minister in the PTI government, said he dealt well with the education system during the challenging times of COVID-19, as well as gave the nation a uniform curriculum, full stop. New paragraph. I am indebted to PTI founder chairman for assigning me office of the federal education minister, full stop. He also thanked party and his voters for getting him elected, full stop. He tweets attracted mixed reactions, full stop. Retired bureaucrat said he had worked with me and praised his integrity and competence, full stop. The national political scene will miss your presence, sir, he added, full stop. However, several party men took him to task, stating that left in trying times but enjoyed the fruit of PTI's struggle, full stop. They criticized him for being absent from Long March as well as events, full stop. Acknowledging the appreciation and criticism, he asserted he stood with the party, full stop. New paragraph. I neither did any press conference nor made a single statement against the party or its founder chairman, he said, and explained that he got himself when he underwent abdomen surgery as well as got a stent implanted, full stop. He accepted the party workers' criticism that he did not participate in protests and rallies, full stop. The ex-minister said he was satisfied with his 34-year political journey, except one regret of quitting PPP and joining his regime, full stop. Since I have decided to write columns as I did for 11 years before joining the PTI in 2011, I thought it right to announce retirement from politics publicly, he said, full stop. A day after long time, the PTI suffered a similar setback when ex-minister announced he was quitting politics for good, full stop.